The square section nail is prepared by using hot forging method. So forging is one of the manufacturing method where the localized compressive forces are applied to shape the component. Now here this is the 2D sketch which explains the shape and size of the given component. Actually the customer demands, I need a component of this mild steel material. Okay. Now these are the given parameters. So aim is prepare a given model by hot forging method. Hot forging is nothing but we are preparing the model after the recrystallization temperature. Means we are heating the component or heating the raw material and we are giving the localized compressive force by hammering and it shapes by using dies and candle. Now the tools required to prepare this component is the furnace is needed for heating of the raw material, anvil is needed to shape the component, then vise for the different bending operation, tongs to hold the hot component, flatters, swage blocks, hammers. Still we need more of the tools required for shaping of this component. Now working steps you have to write after the completion of this component. Okay, now here actually this is the final product we have to prepare. Now we have the material of diameter 16 mild steel, but we don't know how much length we have to cut of a available raw material. So we have a raw material around 2 meter or 5 meters, but we require known length of raw material. So for that we have to calculate how much length of raw material we have to require. So do the calculation. After final calculation we have to cut of that raw material into required length. Now let WP is total weight of the finished product. Means this is the total weight. We have all the dimensions here. So total weight of the finished product. Now WR is the total weight of raw material required. We know that W2 is equal to WR because how much raw material is weighed, that weight also the final product. Now WP is equal to WR or WR is equal to WP. WR is nothing but 5d square by 4 into L. D is diameter of this, that is the 16 mm, 1.6 centimeter. L is we have to find out because this is the unknown parameter here, and this is the density of mild steel because the raw material is given mild steel. That mild steel density we have to know, that is 2 grams per centimeter cube. Okay, then here WP means finished product. In this product we have two shapes. One is the square prism and another one is the
taper.
This is the other one shape. Okay.
Conical shape.
Now here this is the pyramid, square pyramid and square prism. For the formula to find out the weight, LBH into rho. L is nothing but length of this prism, that is the 120 plus 40, 160. Now B is height and also the H is height and breadth. Now this is 1 by 3 into A square into H. Here this is the formula to find out the weight of the square pyramid. This is density. Now you have all the values. A is nothing but edge of the square pyramid, means how much it is, that is the 10. Is the 12, 1.2. So substitute all these values in this equation, you calculate. Now it will give the L means total length of the raw material you have to cut 10.74 centimeter. But we know that we have to provide an allowance because to compensate different losses during the hammering operation. There are it is assumed that for a mild steel 10% of losses during the operations. That's why we have to add the allowance. That by adding the 10% of allowance, we got L is equal to 11.81 centimeter. Okay. So after the calculation, we have to cut the raw material. So this is the 16 mm diameter bar and the length is 11.81 centimeter. So by using this raw material, we have to convert by the hot forging method. So finally, by the hot forging method, we have to prepare the component like this. This is the square section name. So next, this is the calculation part. Next, we will explain how the forging operations carried on this raw material to convert this raw material into this shape. Okay. So next we will move to the furnace side. So to show the different forging operations to convert this material into raw material.